Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix eBay shipping label problems. Can't you print your eBay shipping labels? You have this message saying payment failed or wrong address. In this video, I'll show you how to quickly fix eBay shipping label issues so your order ships without delay. Now let's dive into these steps together. The first step is to go to your order, and to do that, just go to eBay and log in using your account's credentials. Make sure you log in using your account's credentials. Once logged in, go to the Sellers Hub here and click on orders on the order section right here, and then click on awaiting shipments. Click on this one right here. Now here your awaiting shipments will be displayed right here. Choose the order with the label problem. You're gonna see it here. Now the second step is to check the common issues. Some of the common issues are the payment declined. And to fix this issue, make sure PayPal or card has a sufficient balance. The second issue is the invalid address. You can fix this one by confirming the buyer's address format is complete. And for the printer not working, just download as a PDF and print later. The third thing you want to do is to void and recreate the label. Click More Action and then choose Void Label. A refund takes 3 to 5 days. Now click on the Print New Label and enter correct weight and dimensions. And for the fourth and final step, use a third-party label service. You can try Pirate Ship, ShipStation or EasyPost and manually upload tracking to eBay. And that's it. You're now ready to ship your item without label issues. Always use a digital scale to avoid incorrect shipping fees and save addresses templates for frequent buyers, and also ship within your handling time to avoid defects. And this was it for today's tutorial. If you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.